Let's visit the Red River Gorge, a Kentucky wonder that'll leave you breathless. We'll see some fantastic overlooks, hike some amazing trails, and see some of the best natural arches in the country. Join us. Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. I'm Carl, this is my wife Deb, and we're Crazy Good Adventures. Enjoy the trip. We started our journey at the Red River Gorge with a stay at the Moonshine Manor. It's a tiny cabin in Campton, Kentucky, located just 15 minutes from the Red River Gorge. It has 2 bedrooms, a full kitchen, and is a good option for a cozy getaway. It comes with 2 kayaks and a golf cart, and the lake is only a 2-minute ride away. It's got a great fire pit that you can relax and enjoy time with. It's very private. And did I mention it has an awesome hot tub? The Red River Gorge Visitor Center at Slade is a great starting point where you can get your maps and all the information you need to start your adventure. And it's only a couple of miles to the Red River Gorge area. Once you get to the Red River Gorge, the entrance is the Nada Tunnel. It's 900 feet long and is supposed to be haunted. It's a must-do one-lane road. That is the beginning of a 46-mile scenic loop. Red River Gorge has got it all. So the scenic drive at the Red River Gorge starts at the bottom and you go all the way up to the top of the gorge where there's some absolutely fantastic overlooks, and also to the trailheads of the many arches that are located in the Red River Gorge. First stop was the Swift Creek overlook. Man, was it worth it. Our next stop was at the Sky Arch Trail. It's one of the most popular trails at Red River Gorge. It's a 0.7-mile loop, and it's got some great overlooks. And pro tip is go counterclockwise. Go down the stairs first and under the arch, and then go around and up to the top and come back across the top of the arch. But don't forget to spend as much time as you can checking out the absolutely beautiful scenery around. We call this a pro tip because we learned it the hard way. Going up the stairs at the end of the trail is a lot harder than going down them to begin the trail.
Okay, we're gonna walk across.
Yeah. Smile and say hi. We were just up there. Yeah, the last little piece connected. That's going to drop off one day.
You think?
Yep. Cool. Happy birthday, baby.
Oh, wow.
About 5 minutes past the Skybridge Recreation Area on the Scenic Loop is the turnoff to the Chimney Top Road. This is about a 15-minute ride to the Chimney Top Recreation Area, where there are two trails, one on the left, one on the right. We're going to start with the Chimney Tops Trail. It's a short quarter mile, and the views are fantastic. Just across the parking lot is the Prentice Arch Trail, another quarter-mile trail that's a lot of fun. Oh, wow. All that hiking made us hungry, so we went to the La Cabana Mexican restaurant, which is real close to the area. The food was really good, but the bourbon list was extensive. Folks, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more of the content. Now let's get on with this.
Wow.
Our last day at the Red River Gorge started with the trip down Rock Bridge Road to the Rock Bridge Recreation Area, where we're going to take a 1.5-mile loop trail. We've been told to take this trail counterclockwise to avoid climbing the stairs at the end.
What?
You have her big sweater?
Yeah, I put it in the backpack.
Huh. Rock Bridge is the only true bridge in the area as a stream flows beneath it. It was formed by a waterfall flowing over a resistant rock layer. The water worked on a weaker rock section at the top of the falls and eventually cut through it. Quite interesting. So we got here at 10:50. And there was already,
The parking lot was full.
well, but there's other little places to put it.
Right. A little seating area. Oh no. We have steps. You okay, baby? So if it's midway, it's only 3/4 of a mile there.
Just a nice, easy stroll through the woods.
Yeah.
Look at this rock.
I know. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's like, what makes these? I don't know. These are like caves or rock houses up there. See?
Yeah.
Look over there.
Uh-huh. It's pretty neat.
Wow.
You know, this is one of the prettiest trails I think we've ever walked.
You could hit your foot.
Look at it raining leaves.
It's so pretty.
Fall is definitely here, huh? Oh, wow. Got boardwalks and...
So Creation Falls, fun fact, is one of 4 waterfalls in the area.
Is it?
Yep. And one of them you can see off of Highway 715 right after the Gladdy Visitor Center.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's that one that just little drips when it rains.
And then there's another one, I forget, there's a Broke Leg Falls. And then there's another one, I forget the name of it, that they say it only is and waterfall after a hard rain.
This is definitely a pretty trail.
Yeah. Wow.
There's a creek. I hear the waterfall.
See?
The lighting is just perfect. Dang. This place is almost magical. Back uphill. Wow, look at that tree. It got twisted and
This one or that one?
that one. It got twisted and fell, and that's Bigfoot knocking them down. Rock bridge. You go climb across it?
No. I don't think you can climb across it. Wow, look at this formation over here. Comes down here, goes down there. Just wrapped all around. And then there's some up here on top. Look.
Cool.
Yeah, you can't go up there. I mean, somebody probably could who's more...
Yeah, look, right
No,
there.
no.
Boom, 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 boom.
Well, I'm not. I'm 62 years old with a bad foot. Look at this.
The beauty of this trail just doesn't stop. And the hike back up the gorge wasn't that bad. If you can call climbing up a gorge not bad. Here's the tree that drops off all those babies.
There's a lot of people that bring dogs.
All in all, our trip to the Red River Gorge was something I think I'll always remember. This is a hiker's paradise, a climber's paradise, and if you love beauty in the fall, it's just one of those things you can't miss. Well, folks, that's going to do it for another crazy good adventure. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. And remember to make every day a crazy good adventure. Thanks again.